Hello and welcome, guys. Yaz here. Well, Black Friday is coming closer and we are ready with the best deals for you. Here are top 4 Black Friday deals on drones to watch out for. Coming up at number 4, DJI Mavic Mini Fly More Combo. The predecessor to the Mini 2 still packs quite a punch and offers a lot of features for just $399, which is $100 cheaper than usual. Capable of shooting 2.7K video, this drone comes with a Fly More package, which means you will get 2 additional batteries, 2 extra pair of propellers, and an extra micro USB cable. At number 3, Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro 6K. You can save nearly $270 with this sizable discount from Autel Robotics. The semi-professional model allows you to shoot in 6K and boasts 20 megapixel raw imaging. It is also foldable, so you can take it on the go and has an impressive 30-minute flight time. Like all of the best drones, it has some nifty inbuilt collision detection and features automated flight patterns. At number 2, DJI FPV Combo. There's an impressive $300 looped off price of this FPV drone from popular manufacturer DJI. It is one of the lowest prices we have seen on the model, which grants you an immersive flying experience through the use of FPV goggles. There's no date on when this deal will end, so move quickly before it disappears. At number 1, Skydio 2 Starter Kit. Reduced by a healthy $400, this starter kit from Skydio should give budding drone pilots everything they need to start making tight videos. The unit is capable of recording 4K video and 12 megapixel stills. It also has comprehensive object avoidance coverage and allows you to automatically track subjects too. Subscribe for more videos. Check out all the links in the description.